Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of quantum physics and how it can transform your life. For many, the realm of quantum physics seems distant, complicated, a world reserved for scientists in labs with complex equations scribbled on chalkboards. But I believe that the universe speaks to us in a language far simpler than we realize. Get ready to explore the principles that can help you harness the energy within to create the life you desire. We'll break down complex concepts into digestible pieces, revealing how quantum physics underpins our existence and how we can use this knowledge to shape our reality. This isn't about science fiction. It's about understanding the fundamental building blocks of the universe and how they interact with our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. This is about empowering you to become the conscious architect of your own life. Imagine the power of an architect staring at a blank canvas, the blueprint of a skyscraper slowly taking shape in their mind. Every line, every curve, every detail meticulously planned before a single brick is laid. This, my friends, is the power of intention. In the quantum world, intention isn't just a thought, it's a powerful force, a concentrated energy directed at a specific outcome. It's the seed from which your reality grows. In the quantum realm, particles exist in a state of potentiality, a sea of infinite possibilities. Our observation, our intention, collapses this wave function, choosing one possibility from the many and bringing it into existence. Just as the observer plays a crucial role in quantum experiments, so too do our intentions shape our reality. So how do we harness this incredible power? It begins with clarity. Be crystal clear about what you want. What are the deepest desires of your heart? What kind of life do you envision for yourself? Don't be afraid to dream big, to push the boundaries of your imagination. Once you have clarity, it's time to set your intentions. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's about consciously aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. Write down your intentions, speak them aloud, meditate on them. The more you focus your energy on what you want, the more you draw it into your reality. Remember, the universe doesn't understand vagueness. It responds to the clarity of your intentions. A scattered mind yields scattered results. A focused mind, aligned with clear intentions, becomes a magnet, pulling your desires into reality. Think of your life as a garden. Your intentions are the seeds. You plant the seeds of your desires, nurture them with focused attention and unwavering belief, and watch as the universe conspires to bring them to fruition. So, dream big, set your intentions with unwavering clarity, and watch as the universe aligns to make your dreams a reality. Imagine yourself strolling through a bustling city street, the cacophony of noise washing over you, car horns blaring, music spilling out of shops, snippets of conversations swirling in the air. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, lost in the chaos. Yet, amidst this symphony of sound, if you close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus, you might hear the gentle chirping of birdsong, a subtle melody often drowned out by the surrounding noise. This, my friends, is the essence of mindfulness. In a world saturated with distractions, mindfulness is the art of quieting the mind, of tuning into the present moment, and becoming acutely aware of the subtle energies that surround us. It's about observing without judgment, being fully present in the here and now. Just as quantum physicists use sophisticated instruments to observe the behavior of subatomic particles, mindfulness is our instrument for observing the subtle dance of energy within and around us. It allows us to witness the interconnectedness of all things, to see the world through a quantum lens. So how do we cultivate this state of heightened awareness? It begins with the breath. Our breath is our anchor to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, noticing the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle flow of air in and out of your nostrils. As you focus on your breath, thoughts will inevitably arise. Don't judge them. Don't engage with them. Simply acknowledge them and gently guide your attention back to your breath. It's like watching clouds drift by in the sky. Observe them without attachment, letting them pass through your awareness. Mindfulness can be practiced anytime, anywhere. While walking, pay attention to the sensation of your feet connecting with the ground, the rhythm of your steps. While eating, savor each bite, noticing the textures, the flavors, the aromas. Engage all your senses. As you become more attuned to the present moment, you'll notice a shift in your perception. So take a deep breath, quiet your mind, and tune in to the subtle symphony of the present moment. Imagine the vastness of the ocean, its surface a mesmerizing dance of waves, constantly in motion. Now imagine those waves not as water, but as pure energy, the very fabric of the universe itself. This, my friends, is the essence of the quantum realm. In the quantum world, particles exist as waves of probability, a sea of infinite possibilities. Our observation collapses the wave function, choosing one possibility from the many. At the subatomic level, everything is in a constant state of flux, a dynamic dance of energy. And just as a surfer learns to ride the waves, we too can learn to harness this energy. But how do we tap into this vast ocean of potential? It all begins with understanding that we are not separate from this quantum field. Every atom in our body, every thought we think, every emotion we feel is in constant interaction with this field. We are constantly emitting energy, influencing the quantum field around us. Our thoughts are powerful vibrations, capable of influencing the very fabric of reality. When we focus our thoughts on what we desire, we send out a powerful signal into the quantum field. This is the principle of resonance. Just as a tuning fork vibrates at a specific frequency, so too do our thoughts and emotions resonate with the quantum field. To change your reality, you must first change your energy. Become a vibrational match to your desires. Cultivate positive emotions, joy, gratitude, love, for these emotions attract more positive experiences. The universe doesn't judge, it simply responds to the energy we emit. Focus on love, abundance, and gratitude, and watch your life transform. Ride the waves of possibility with intention and watch as the universe unfolds in harmony with your desires. Imagine the incredible complexity of the human body, a symphony of trillions of cells, each one a universe unto itself, pulsing with life. Within this intricate tapestry lies an innate intelligence, an inherent drive towards balance and well-being. This, my friends, is the power of quantum healing. Quantum physics reveals that at the subatomic level, our bodies are dynamic fields of energy. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can influence our physical health. Quantum healing empowers us to tap into the body's innate healing wisdom. Imagine a warm, healing light flowing through your body, restoring balance and harmony. Embrace your inner physician and step into the radiant health that is your birthright. Imagine a child receiving a long-awaited gift, their face lighting up with pure, unadulterated joy. Or perhaps recall a time when someone expressed heartfelt gratitude for something you did, leaving you feeling a warm glow of satisfaction. This, my friends, is the power of gratitude. It's more than just good manners. It's a potent force, a universal language that resonates at the quantum level. You see, in the quantum realm, like attracts like. When we focus on gratitude, when we cultivate a deep appreciation for the blessings in our lives, we raise our vibrational frequency, attracting more of those positive energies back to us. It's like tuning our personal antenna to the frequency of abundance. Gratitude is the antidote to scarcity. When we focus on what we lack, on what we perceive as missing in our lives, we create a self-fulfilling prophecy, attracting more lack and limitation. But when we shift our focus to what we're grateful for, no matter how small, we open ourselves up to a universe of abundance. Think of it this way. Gratitude is the soil in which happiness grows. Just as a seed planted in fertile ground thrives, so too do our dreams and aspirations flourish in an environment of gratitude. So how do we cultivate this powerful emotion? It begins with awareness. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of tea on a chilly morning, the laughter of a loved one, or the beauty of a sunset. Don't take these blessings for granted. Savor them. Allow yourself to truly feel the gratitude welling up within you. Write down your blessings in a gratitude journal, express your appreciation to others, or simply reflect on them in the quiet of your own mind. As you make gratitude a daily practice, you'll notice a profound shift in your perception. Challenges will appear less daunting, setbacks will become opportunities for growth, and you'll find yourself attracting more and more reasons to be grateful. Remember, the universe is always listening. When we approach life with a heart full of gratitude, we send out a clear signal that we're open to receiving more blessings. So embrace the power of gratitude. Thank you for watching. Remember, by harnessing the power of quantum physics, you can transform your inner and outer world. The principles we've explored today are not mere theories. They are powerful tools for shaping your reality. As you begin to apply these principles in your own life, be patient with yourself. Transformation takes time. Just as a seed planted in the ground needs time to sprout and grow, so too do your intentions need time to manifest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. See you next time.